Hello. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you. SEHMUA, SEHMUA, 4G wildlife camera with SIM card included. This is a surveillance camera system for outdoor use, and if you like, you can use the included solar panel to, recharge the battery while it is working. We can use an app on our mobile phone to connect to this camera system. It comes with PIR recognition. It's a camera system with SIM card support and 2K color night vision, two-way audio option, and 360 degrees PTZ. And on top, it's IP66. So you can use it outdoor without props, of course. This 3G and 4G outdoor surveillance camera provides a fast data transfer. It is the perfect solution for areas without Wi-Fi. With a camouflage design that makes it easy for forest hunting, monitoring farms, stable and outdoor campsites. The external camera comes with a 7-day trial SIM card. A 4G data subscription is required for continuous operation. Wi-Fi is not supported. This wildlife camera with SIM card has a 5-watt solar panel and does not need an external power supply. But of course you can make an external power supply with an USB-C cable. That's no prop. But it's better, I think, use the solar panel. The solar panel is included, and the solar panel gives us a free energy from the sun. Oh yeah. It is waterproof according to the IP66 waterproof level and has a durable housing, which allows reliable operation in various outdoor environments and adverse weather conditions. This surveillance camera in 4G and solar power can be easily mounted on a wall or tree trunks and is suited for outdoor monitoring and wildlife observation. The camera has an intelligent PIR sensor that detects movements of the people and animals and sends real-time notifications to our smartphone. The sensitivity can be adjusted via the U-Box app, UBOX, to minimize false alerts. The 4G solar wildlife camera is also equipped with a built-in microphone and a speaker for two-way audio, so we can hear and talk in real time. With remote access via smartphone, we can especially scare away unwanted intruders or animals. The 2K HD wildlife camera, equipped with a lighting that allows the full color night vision and provides a clear image even in complete darkness. With a 4x zoom and PTZ, swift to the zoom function, the solar-powered camera with SIM card offers a complete 360 degrees view. It is for nature enthusiasts who need a high-quality visual monitoring. And it is possible to get their own local memory card included or into it with over on up to 128 of gigabyte. That's not included. Or cloud service, so we can watch and download playback anytime and anywhere via the U-Box app. The 4G network allows us to share the camera with family and friends to watch live broadcasts together. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!